going to show you my dad's new truck here. This is a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's a Texas edition, as you see right down there. So I'll go with the exterior first. So it's got nice big 20-inch wheels. It's like a maroon color. It's got a nice step up here on the back, so I can get in the bed. I'll show you how that works. I'm just going to put my foot here, and I can pull myself up. So that's pretty nice. I gotta fix the bed liner at the dealership. It's coming undone. It's got a trailer package where you gotta hook up the ball hitch. 4x4, of course. Here's the front. Looks pretty cool. Tie downs up here in the front. It's nice. It's got the smaller receiver there for the media system. Doesn't have that giant antenna that waves in the wind as you go by. I'll show you under the hood. It's got the V8. Nice amount of power. I drove it yesterday. It accelerates pretty nicely. One thing that's really nice about this, I'm not too much of an environmentalist, but when you're coasting or you come to a stop, it goes into 4-cylinder mode, which helps out with the fuel economy. Take 0 W20. There's a belt down that way. Radiator up through there. Here it looks like the transmission fluid down through that way. Battery back here. I'll show you the inside. It's, well, before I show you that, I'll show you the inside here. This is it's got the E85, which is pretty nice. It's a little bit cheaper than regular gas. Here's the inside. Towing mode there, or not sure what that is. That helps out with towing, that's for sure. Got traction control over there. There's a media center. This also has a backup camera, pretty nice. And kind of gauges there, tachometer, speed, fuel, oil, cooling, battery. Sunglasses holder up there on the top. Let's check out the lights. Dome lights there. Then one thing I really like about this is it has its own kind of a safe down here in the middle seat. So if you look here, so this is in between the front two seats. But what I noticed yesterday is that on the front of it has a lock. I'm going to turn the camera, hopefully you can get it. So here, it's got a lock. You can lock this up. It's pretty nice. So you actually have two areas where you can lock up. Of course, you have the glove box. You can always lock that up. Then you have this down here below, which is pretty nice. Cigarette lighter here. I guess they don't call it that no more because it's, not politically correct. So, some kind of power source. Traction control. Got a rear light back there for the bed. And here, it's got USB outlet here, SD card outlet, then another power port there, another, looks like a cigarette lighter there, some kind of power source. And I'm going to slide over. Then there's a three-way prong electrical outlet there, the 110. It's pretty nice. So glove box has two different parts, upper part, lower part. It's pretty nice. And I'll show you the back seat. Whoops, I think I locked it. Oh. Uh-oh. Back seat's nice and roomy. Fold down area here. Cup holders, of course. Then outlet there. Got the dome lights for the rear. One thing I'm not saying that they may have wanted to add was ventilation sources in the back. Like a lot of times in sedans, you see like vents back here, like down through here or somewhere. They could have added those. I would have liked that. But other than that, it's a pretty nice truck. I mean, I am a diesel guy, but I mean, this is pretty damn nice. So, well, thanks for watching. See you soon.